Hello again, this is Mr. Bing, February 1st, first day of the new semester, Conceptual Physics, fourth block class. This is the third video. I think it's the third video that I'm running today, or that I'm recording to post later. And the first video, I talked about the layout of the Schoology course page with all this stuff in it, and the way that the start here and the week one and all that works. I already did a video. I think that was the second video of the announcements. Here's the announcements, and every day those will be updated. And then to this video, this third video, I want to talk about the Discovery Physics Tech Book. It's not a textbook, it's a tech book. And so I've never used it before. I'm used to using a book that you open and flip pages, but it's 2021 and we don't look at pages that you flip through anymore. Kind of miss them. And so we do it on the computer. Now, I've opened it inside of Schoology, and I guess I get that, right? But if I open it this way into a new tab, well, I don't know what to do now. Now, it is Clever, which a lot of you already know what that is. But this is the first time I'm using it. I don't know what to, Bethlehem area, school, district, is that it? Liberty, there we go. Bethlehem Area School District, Liberty High School. All right. Log in with Active Directory, I guess, I don't know. It must remember me because it didn't ask me for username and password, so it must have remembered me. Hopefully you can get to this too. When you go into Clever, whatever that is, log into Clever. I hope you know what that means. Somehow, some way you can get to the Discovery Education Science Tech Book. If you can't find it, we'll look at it later, or maybe I'll see you in person in class and we can look at it. But this is your actual textbook, and there are chapters and units and chapters and lessons. And so we're going to go through each one of these, well, not each one, because we're going to have to skip a few along the way. But when you go into one of these assignments, this, whoops, what did I click on? 1.1. If you notice in the announcements, 1.1. All right, so I just clicked on 1.1, and then it opened up a page with information and definitions. I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but I know you can see that. When I clicked on that, it opened up a new window, and I don't know if that was still visible to you. And so there's these blue bold terms that you can click, and it will give you information. I'll show you how I want that represented in the next video. But anyway, here's the assignment. A lot of stuff to read, and notes. And so that's annoying, but there's more than just reading and writing. There's also videos. So you play these videos and watch them, and you can watch them in class with me. You can watch them at home whenever you want, but we're not going to do that right now, even though that is very exciting. And so more notes, more definitions. Here's another video. You have to watch all the videos, read all the text, watch all the videos. I'll show you the simulated notebook for how that works. A lot of times these questions you don't necessarily answer, but you just think about. I don't remember if I want you to answer that one or not. Pictures, they're pictures. And then teacher note, you're not going to have a teacher note because, you're not the teacher, I'm the teacher. As a matter of fact, I can probably turn that off so you don't see any of the secret answers. And then, so record your ideas. So it says, how do electromagnetism, etc. And then you would write an answer. Whenever there is a submission box, you do submit. So you're going to do paperwork, reading and writing, but you're also going to watch videos, and you're also going to write your ideas in these submission boxes. And then look, you submit. And then there's some other things. This is matching to do that you do. I call that a submission because it's right in the tech book. Then there are these questions that you answer. Looks like I already answered this, and two of my answers were wrong. And then you submit. Here's more to do. Look, I got all those right. And then there's more to submit. And then there's additional videos. I don't know if I assign you to view those, but we'll look at that in just a moment. And then questions. Okay, so all of that you just looked at is 1.1 engage. 1.1 engage right there. That would be the first day in my pace, okay? And so the next one is going to be explore 1, which would be the second day. And so after you do the engage, all of that, note-taking and submissions and videos, after you do that, then the next day will be explore. But there are, after this loads for an hour, I'm at home. I mean, yeah, we're all at home, but I've got my wife. She works at home. She works for Lehigh University. I've got four high school kids in this house, and we're all using the internet at the same time. And I think I just got crapped out. Let me see here. Let me try this again. Okay, explore. Okay, it worked. All right, so explore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one of those is a page of a lot of information. So the way that I laid that out is I've got on Tuesday, we do explore 1. So here is explore 1. There's 2, there's 3, and then there's others. Let me go back. So I'm going to do explore 1. This would be our second day. Okay, I guess it's there. I don't know if it updated. Okay, more notes, more videos, more notes, more videos. Let me see. More notes, more hang on. And more videos. Okay, so and then that would be for Tuesday. And then you see Wednesday would be explore 2 and 3. I'm not going to go through those in a lot of depth right now. And then there is explore 4 and 5. And you see that there's 4 and 5. And then notice it says explore more, which is optional in this case. And so there's explore more. And then on Friday or the 5th day or the last part, depending on the pace you choose, then there is explain, which would be this one. And there's more notes for you to take, pictures to look at, questions to answer, submissions to make. And then the last part, or the second last part, is elaborate, which is optional, and evaluate, which would be like a quiz at the end. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video now, and then I'm going to start another video where I explain what we just looked at and how you manifest it into a notebook entry. Bye-bye for now.